Your weekly market update for Surrey, Cloverdale, and Langley. So far in Surrey, there are 18 single-family homes sold, 19 townhomes sold, and 30 condos sold. Whereas in Langley, 11 single-family homes have sold, 15 townhomes, and 14 condos have sold. As you know, the past few weeks, we've been talking about how buyer activity has picked up and there are more showings at listings, open houses are busier, and even some multiple offer situations. Well, it's finally showing in the numbers. Sales have doubled what they were in January, while listings have increased by 20% during the same time. If a good property comes up and it's well priced and presented, there's a good chance it can sell pretty quick. At the same time, there are some really good properties out there that are available and are really good deals. Don't wait to time the real estate market. History shows that in the long run, real estate always appreciates. If you want to know what's happening in your neighborhood, please give us a call or send us a DM, and we'd be more than happy to get you the information.